Telus Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Telus plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight to it. Telus is one of Canada's top 3 mobile operators, known for its excellent network coverage, fast data speeds and strong customer service. It provides nationwide service through its 4G LTE and expanding 5G network, making it a great option for both urban and rural users. Telus offers a range of postpaid and prepaid plans, catering to individuals, families and businesses. Customers can also bundle mobile plans with home internet and TV services for added savings. The company places a strong focus on sustainability and social responsibility, investing in green initiatives and rural connectivity programs. Now, let's go over its strengths. Telus consistently ranks as one of the fastest networks in Canada, with excellent reliability and low latency, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Its 5G coverage is expanding rapidly, offering even better speeds in major cities. Telus also has one of the best customer service reputations in the industry, with responsive support and an easy-to-use self-service app. The company offers flexible plans, including unlimited data options, family sharing, and international roaming packages for frequent travelers. Additionally, Telus is known for strong business solutions, providing enterprise mobility, IoT connectivity, and cloud services for corporate users. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Telus's plans tend to be on the expensive side compared to budget-friendly competitors like Freedom Mobile or regional carriers. While coverage is strong in most areas, rural customers in remote parts of the country may still experience weaker signals. Promotions and discounts are not as frequent as those from Rogers or Bell, which can make Telus a costly choice for some users. So is Telus the right choice for you? If you prioritize network quality, fast speeds, and excellent customer service, it's one of the best options in Canada. However, if you're looking for the cheapest plans, you may find better deals with smaller carriers. Check the links in the description for Telus's latest offers. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert telecom insights.